a shoulder to cry. Run on my pampas, so we try what suicide. Yeah, let bygone be bygone. I didn't see what the bottom gonna do. We go straight to stardom. And I gonna take you to next level. My baby, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. The energy next level. But baby, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I gonna take you to next level. My baby, oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
I don't code next level. Excessive drinking can be detrimental to health. Not recommended for persons under 18 years, lactating mothers, pregnant women, and people sensitive to caffeine. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
And it's time to get into the business of sports. Yebera is Semnimu Kakra, na Diana player, na Diana Stars goalkeeper Joseph Ado, or the Sem Kakra Mania, Yedebetu Biaso enim. Heart of Oak, Amankwameku, former captain of the side. I also the name Samaba about the appointment. And now, if opinion friend Carlos Vaspinto, the appointment as technical director of the club, no opinion so Edina Genche Abba Yawe Champon, head coach for Elmina Sharks. No so akasa nensem no yede ebetumanim the Black Satellites kaise omone Ivory Coast any Nigeria e group bakum e wafu zombie tournament enche beba so no another captain on the side the free banie so akasa ebeko ash gold asie ye be share referees no so no omo fitness test no over the weekend send ye see eko King Faisal so nsem kakra e wo ha ye be komediama ye be san ba hat work biom na ya san hwe allies omo ensem ne kakra akasman be du ama no nan abo no ye be makonya na also etumi afre na wa kire wadwen e wo dwumadi esu ye frame kwabena free obin be brena frame obi Trice Andy Kasila satena so ye be kwa ma no ne na nsa na Andy e de be wram no Babayara Sports Stadium, the Babayara Sports Stadium, exclusive pictures, a free Babayara Sports Stadium, Ebano, a fire renovation, and in Sayo Kakre course where Homoshe, na Nkonyano ni bibia scoreboard ni bibia ye no. A YF, Ubet me, I join you on Facebook, Pure FM Ghana. Na chese washe senia renovation, you know, koso Babayara Sports Stadium, at the whole life. Say we no okay omo tupa onese nkonyano mo wie you omo enhihye nkonyano na so say grass ne de grass ne kokra omo tutu to grass ne nyina omo hese omo be hihye no foforo na works ne koso omo wie grass ne sa ne de na chese nkonyano enche na no so no omo edia share so enti Babayara Sports Stadium renovation works no broni besie work has started in earnest chese omo has na bibia so etumi akoyie na Kumasi Asante Kotoko King Faisal ometumi ayusu sa facility no na ya hwese ne no so ebetumi akọ Andy enya bado
oh yes
Christians what na say we say first na Babayara Sports Stadium pitch no nenye into your renovation bia na pitch na wo say ode wadwen koso a me de so matutu scoreboard ni hiame and our washrooms no send na wo sia na nkonya no so no e wo say omo na sa we no bulletproof glass na wo no minim so mbe tutu na ye no mrofo ne die ne bia ne aben park no ana musro se abrani besim
yes side of the world ye ni inner perimeter but da bia nkofo to wo ne bottles ko park
nti ma ye nyam mrofo die ne bia omo ben park
aha de wan we be shi coach asum
original coach the coach jina osa betina wine
na ye ni kroma say na kotoko bo match we ye de amoka na be fa players free park so
amoka de say no e modern mono ana born ye bowie
na say modern mono na say Adane Madrid na Barcelona de ni bia because kotoko supporters ge bufo kakra bi ba King Faisal supporters house of folk back room
alaji betumi asane awuram sesi a no glass no glass banke ya shase sa na na chesi ya jewu na meti coach chipe imagine na feeling omunya homo no eno kra no se sa seat ne bo be din tiankai no be 200 cedis 200 cedis utimi 200 cedis eko record ko match say asumbo bia ma uti wo nti yan trying because bulletproof glasses no ya tena mu ache yan ko anim kakra me de so ma two scoreboard no so scoreboard no metu na scoreboard no ejina wa che wa ejina wa bre onu amu wa bre enti yetutu a ye de fufro eba be oh very nice.
Oh yes, to be
what's no quite a very speedy rate.
And what baby a VIP box no one baby na baby a mampanyim ne two form choir no so say initially na sa nim ho nkonya no na ye the form shishem ni bi
okay
so I realize you do baby na bubu aye basa but they say for the new way no man so mo dey we say be na fix wo rubber dey ni bi ehye ni mo kakra red as here
okay
say the red bi ehye ho no kakra
okay
so ba ko na bubu bebrebe be na form na tete
say VIP na ankasa so no nkonya no so mo tutu a me sure so mo dey sofa chair e wo akogu sound no so no ya ye bo national anthem na untim ye bo half current ebo mono we bo unti wa nti eno so no empanyinfo hwe na eja omo enya hu adwuma senya Accra Sports Stadium esia ye fe no e say sa na omo ye Kumasi Sports Stadium ba we no e say maintenance no e say omo ni ekon pitch ne de omo ye no fufro sa na ya ma football
no bi bisa say inner perimeter bulletproof we na sinki on say baba yaresa hosti inter schools and colleges ni ade
no inter schools and colleges no me na me ni Dr. Safoji
okay
eya adwen say games ni de kayen fa nko secondary schools no ohun na prempe hosti ohun na ya ye tatan tracks ama prempe college ye we are next year near the co-was no was for no so aye tata ni aye mini sports facility bia momo next time near the Kumasi girls ye free one near Kumasi high school near OT near mass one near developing secondary schools
more
pitches near sports facilities no na baba sports stadium no there for international and local football strictly one into ye tatan tracks ni free one of course athletes no so you bet me aye bibia momo e different facility be one into me no anka pitch side or namiti coach na chipe na we no electronic signboards no na adverts na film na namho nya fe na obo say rubber bi da form insio to ana ehu rubber ne ko na adverts ni insio ni nyina no obi akofie it was say system one ntu baba namiti omni Jacob Achusebe yeti goalkeeper na chi na chese dede no e koso nti ankasa ansa yo ne badia anka mani baji mo basa ni ausika no em say Ghana ni
suban no
Ghana ni wonu nti o ye ni denya this almost sounds to develop bulletproof esiani ansa na yetimi ahebon
yamma ban na baso yamma ma baso pa I remember very well 2018 ye be stadium we are no see the ball can 2008 right after that can 2008 no na kotoko so ba Africa na mekai I think Lavincy was the MC kotoko game be me nsharan kai papa na the opponent ni ba Kumasi no na Lavincy chief coach ni say oni coach ni din komo before say give the best start. The first comment from the coach ni say fantastic stadium now obi from 2008 na you see stadium ni wie na and made that wonderful edifice no it took us 12 years yam fire and cost stadium no hubium and they got to a point na Kumasi Sports Stadium was in a sorry state just 12 years old. That be America say Wembley are better now than it was 12 years ago. And now I know can say Camp Nou 12 years ago and Camp Nou is better than it was 12 years ago. So Oko Santiago Bernabeu and I said it is better than it was 12 years ago. But Ghana dear, adia ya bind there 12 years ago na better than it is last year. Yamfi any nkoye facilities no. Na many ajipa say within the last 3 years Accra Sports Benyani dear, Kumasi Sports Benyani dear, all regions bia 10 regions ni nyina so enya sports recreational center. Even though obi your problem be bia your site is project ni dear, but at least something has been done. Ama stadiums na nurses who are protecting the buying the investment akoho ye renovate, and I think say it's a very big plus to the government say omonya say investment na omo renovate these facilities empire boni say yen sign another 12 years biem asina kwa maintain you see a maintenance culture. The last time you explained what is culture, are there a culture the obi it must be part of you. As a daily routine. So I didn't ba kutua ya toashe ho scoreboard na say bibi betimi say ya as early as possible ni akwa koye yentwe ma didn't say holistically. Say bom sa na obi the repair and the maintenance adding. Etino yes I think that we are spending so much to renovate the stadium. See a catch sky yes spend it they are renovating Kumasi ni Accra Sports and Mobi. It means a new stadium. It means a new one.
Yeah.
It is because of the state now. The master stadium no come no. It I think say wonderful gesture from the government say what you may invest so much say or renovate. But me and Trey ma didn't say another 12 years BM. Say Trey say 12 years BM. Ye Trey 12 years BM. As soon as I costed them no one has see fufu.
Floodlights no so no more na omo ensisa bulbs ni nyina eno so wo so omo na nkonya no se ye stadium ne fufuro na ubetutu nkonya ne dia e wo se nya small police station bi wase ho a chese otu ya na chese ye de o eko Andy Casillas mayenkwa ma ne won yen hwe de eko so e wo ho simane bedu na the very latest from the foreign front.
Right, live on Pure 95.7 FM, Pure FM Ghana on Facebook. Unsubet me a join like no share. Na bibia ensuanya kama Pure Afternoon Sports. Dia kuna famona ninsam no. Later said ye obi carry the update ensaka no. Yemfa MTF ewo jumeri so amisha se satanya mi aduma wotena UEFA Champions League match sebet mi atu aso. Na me pacho classico na eba na wi last Saturday. Na dia tena sa Madrid bobo kono ko Germany omo body atia club friends Borussia Mönchengladbach. Enti sa uko Facebook Bobo conference Real Madrid after sa classico no course so share Barca by 3-1 who to say confidence no ensweat me apa enti Madrid Bobo ko ni abrom do mani chire mu ens our Germany na omni Borussia Mönchengladbach e kwa ko ntura ubo hu apprentice friends table ko to oboni suit kama sanso ana obo hu Marcelo Felon Mendy and afa players no obia ensweat me shini suit kama utu sampa we team out me confidence no sweat me return wa brand no wo mu echi Barcelona e Campo born through and Tiabaya much against Borussia Mönchengladbach UEFA Champions League said Niama ABC Aquarium Club and friends Real Madrid to join 20 on Facebook Ubo Club and friends Murray players Tomusu copy Germany na Fenyami much na game no and sweat me across in a video there to Facebook who sweat me across no enjoy our Pure FM Ghana na Bibian sweat me kama and so dia mamo na Ugusa enjoy esa video no mama and fan to get a classic or bass me than 70p and still a French ba essence no na we am no kase no yes oko club e friends Barca so ya wo mo se omanya audio bi so the free video assistant referee demo sem adia some penalty referee Jen Fifi ejima branch friends yam adia Sergio Ramos no yes referee and assistant referee I catch and said there be foul no na e first on Ramos and Ramos and the first player one eko so branch friends Linkley was on atarium enti assistant line one there wa catch center referee Martinez Emunera wa catch and said they you know, Adia na penalty nemum a foul first against club friends Real Madrid. And so penny Kasan so the chair center referee. Nanso referee after so ko video assistant referee na day video no wo ban no sport is a penalty. Barca for so many sa audio no and Tomunso taking it on. Na Omar said name enso besiako and no air reporter Minsaka. Yeri Sansem so di tuja mamin kopiem enso Barca biom na min fan to say me no ka say meet na so ekoso ninyina Barca board of directors no enti o join on Facebook obehu ebra na empenifo no so ko secretariat na omunso atimi akwa sa meeting no na obehu apanya friend say Jose Maria Batemi on the board members no ntomo na ohwe Facebook no mo panie enti kakra kana we so bewuram esansa no person obaka ya me de baba tu just say name na dem penifo no troye enso de koma Catalonia vice president sen komo na vote of no confidence no omun stop say elections no name of your penifo no say dey betimi akoso say omutimi ayushu them needed protocols omunso betimi ahwe na bibia nso betimi akokama na dem nsa kan say sane man nyina timi koso wa hwe na say batome obetimi yina di enti ne ya meet ni guso ekoso Barca secretariat into ra opanya friend said Bartomeu and the board members no wo na eramun kakran komo kwesere ne mabesi akọ enti meet ni de guso monitor de bakono yete ehonsem enso betnya ba so sampanifo no wo ebe resign from Barca adwuma no ana so mo so betnya tena so na o ma twensenya bia na me adma vote of no confidence no on the 2nd of November and after 3rd of November and enso betnya akoso a eno latest abensaka eresansem no yeri tuja enso adwuma de so na me pato opanya friend say Paul Pogba obeka say na no pa ena me de betu ya say bi ba say Paul Pogba person okwete from Air France almost national team na so ye esanse president France Emmanuel Macron ekodi komo emane di nsem bi ko tuja Paul Pogba ni enso anchen na the sun womo ena edisa report na so betuja the attention Paul Pogba babo tinti statement Paul Pogba dia banie na Pogba chemu say ensema the sun for Kenya enya no kra na oni ba dia sansem ni free ba no dia asem obetumi aka ene say the sun ko wa krata no ase omunka krakra wom yusu ono Paul Pogba din no mo de fake and stories enti Pogba or say or taking legal actions and so they tear the sun for no esa the sansem no mo kana no kra bia nim wono Pogba onko kana ba bia da say Emmanuel Macron mampanya kwa kasem no one na nyadwen into akwete from France wom so national team nimo or say NC da enti wey Pogba statement or the buyer na Paul Pogba releasing his statement na pe and at the sun for no so edi omo dia ba true omo PRO enti so the sun for the na ogofo no almost story ni omo kwa na ye esan so ha almost the mirror AAB Sanso and a mail online any other website almost ye be omo the sun wo kwa and ye story say obiaka say I know the sun for and the sun for and omo ye fake stories almost there be story no omo ye outlet no door so PFM ha ye ka bi enti so Paul Pogba take obi ona ene ye PFM so no on take it on eno the sun omo na de counter statement wo mo so de ba name masie ne de omo pa chao se sansem no enso timi ba wo se Paul Pogba abedina ento omo so atwe asan eno report am say kan de sansem no ye de tuja enso odwumade ne so na me pa chao Jose Mourinho akasa Mourinho say wo hunsem na de comparison bi ahase ekoso na wo kai say 2011-2012 Jose Mourinho Madrid team no a record Madrid at 100 points. Omunya 100 points. Sa wala league anymore. 121 goals. Conceded 38 goals. Current Jose Mourinho Tottenham Hotspur team no. Womo 31 goals. And no other Jose say artist and Kofoka say as the team no. They compare 10 times Madrid Bobo Kono. They say pepe. No more goals. Wom concede a few goals. Enti Jose Mourinho team 2011-2012 Madrid no enuabi and na wanya ne Tottenham Hotspur Jose say osere we muntimi fasa team we and compare Madrid team some years ago. Also side na enya no kre eno enso panya friend say Jose Mourinho wono enso dia to de sansem no ye de bom nyame yadma Wednesday openya friend say Danny McKelly ono aye France no referee wono na de tense na de UEFA pen for tenase no wo mo se sa openya wo ni picture e Facebook no Barca any Juventus no sa big game no wono so nko na fe on toyedem na bibia nso nya come into we referee friend say Danny McKelly wono e be center referee for Barca any Juventus match e betimi atoja nyame atoma Wednesday eno de ba de sansem de toja we 6 years ago Obi openya friend Steven Gerrard ene dempa pada obekai Abrana Liverpool for eba beje yes so famous slip no be ba cho ejare e dey picture dey to Facebook na we Liverpool supporter me did say onya happy esan say some 6 years ago na Liverpool for G League nemum sa Gerrard Steven Gerrard ne slip we no e ma Liverpool for lose title now onim say Steven Gerrard say be see ene Sadia we eda so hantino or CBC and ultimate get over wow or CBC and 6 years in you still are the hantino or down na ultimate catana nesis in the news sa and no I small penya friend Steven Gerrard one also about to the this answer the 20 me also person kwa homaros na okokodin community my friends in kodin komo wa homaros okay Okay, Yanko. Fine. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Openya now, my so Coach Ibrahim Tanko, formerly the assistant coach of the Black Stars, will handle the national under 23 team no so paying. Wasum amo Ghana about Borussia Dortmund numina one fantastic personality as far as football concerned. Opinion any between komo and coach na yet on catch you. Bibi abo dear coach. Fantastic.
Coronavirus, Obama, football is slow, but prior year starting lifting lockdown, at least football because you know, baby, I'm sure ball.
95.7.
Wow. Your love for football there. Just I was through. Now, I no pay yet SMB Coach Ibrahim Tanko say local club bia banasua ya obesom na wabeye adwuma wo Ghana Premier League nim na coach da ben yen hwa ni mu say obeye adwuma.
Oh, this time I'm share with you for most station. I am the charge here, minimum kasa.
No credit, coach.
Yeah, for
fantastic.
No credit, Mr. Uchi interview. One of the platforms, Mr. Say, me already matching the hour better. I mean, me a coach, me coach, and I send a monument, me and me put a local black staff. And she movie sami about local team, they are made coach and I'm the Omega class. Then I see why not. I'm hoping for team will be approaching me at least, you know, or the plan beba. I'm a marshal, and yes, in my cancer, no, not team be uba the coaching at least, you know, say Ubana ultimate convincing me. This is what you want to do and all these things. She said, why not?
Wow. Say Ash Gold, so Roberto Landi Koni Krum, Ash Gold, you're possible, Anna.
And all these economy say, think they are at least, you know, over from me, and you put something on paper. Make me share. Why not? But as I speak with you here, and say no, local black staff coach, then the country, no, I start in scouting. Even friendly matches are Premier League, neighbor, no, some of them, no, the Boshe. And
95.7.
Now, Eddie Bisasa, any Wajuma as a local Black Stars head coach, no conflict of interest behind him.
Tina Mekan is a Netaneba, or the professor or with the team and the tour. Now, we are sure. Friend is saying, Jumano, interested mania. Why not? But at the end of the day, they'll say they take a decision. Oh, and he said, yeah, plan a team and need the panel. That boy, a friend is saying, that boy, definitely eliminate the investment that you'll be by and I send him a kind of interview based on your movie son. Since no Ghana, I mean, uncle, they are definitely no. And as I will say, local black guy, Jumano, depending on league, and the league now is that, own to me, and with scouting, me, a friend to say, even program, a warning in the car. Timmy, dear, no, in I Ghana, and Timmy Chen, the other bandits.
Fantastic. I just can't wait to see you on the touchline. Say local games, say Kosuna. Anyas Ibrahim Tanko Jina touchline. Ghana Premier League no mube de papa. Na pani Kumasi Asante Kotokoni Ash Gold kosi akan omu Jina Ghana nem or the Champions League and the Confederations Cup. Our experience across the continent. Continental Championship na inter-country championship o de Ghana ko jinem na mode mono so ani anisa na afutuo kakra ben na obetum dia ma teams mienu yi
I say futuo ni de 100% sure say team this is a Kotoko or more very very experienced coach or madam for Maxwell so experience in so many ways and as I wish Kotoko players are more recruit to this time. No, definitely no, or more because of Africa. No. And honestly, we're more very good team our assemble, but and sure say Maxwell get me at jello because I lay 3 weeks before the league in the best start, and then we were some weeks and sign our start to competition. In Kodogo side, maybe I'm sure say or Mubenya very solid team going Africa. And it's over Ash Gold. Oh, I want him say Ash Gold. You know, Omar lose so many qualities. The most is Shafi Omo, and Akamenko, Latif and Abila, and some few players. Now, I mean, top players in terms of local league in Africa. I think no more baby team. And I wish to still listen. I can no more nyanya head coach. Me and a panel maker who show this is Tamazia. Tamazia go through all the apprentices, even case in time, you know. Or through Bashir Hayford, where you see a lot of 1 year gain experience. We may hope to say Ash Gold there decided the head coach as soon as possible. So yes, idea. I mean, 100% sure so more the match of Nigeria will be tonight, man. I was so more in 10 because 3 weeks and then some few weeks to confederation. I was so much or more technical team wise, and then the players are moving with you know. Then they are moving to Nigeria before the start of the confederation.
Very well. Unser coach Medican can Ash Gold Hono there. Well, yebedi hunkomo. Na ansa na obekono. Aya na supporters ne central phone nyina no aya yedi hu abobo say team bi beto 14 players. Or the ombebo season no season ba na wie na nyoma koyo nyoma nkoyo no san so the another 13 aba na season no ombebo ebe fa mo en fa mo season ba na wie ya no ma ton 10 no the 10 so aba coach eba ni sana wadwen kire ni say to me team building ni team chemistry ni team cohesion no ebe de na sa teams bi sa no omo modemo aso ani especially omo kwako gina o man na ewo inter club competitions emu eden Pyramid FC wom, Raja Casablanca wom, WAC wom, RS Bekani wom. Oh, my consistent with more various squads.
Well, let me say, Nina, so now could see coaches are changing frequently because at the end of the day, no, all the coach the best started or the players never. Next year, or idea, 1 year, obeying from now, the about so feel say, dear, or so didn't players ever. Nina, no, a sugar try, a very defending team, no, I would say team on our policy, team on our technical director, or share about all these things, you know, because team are over 10, 12 every season, definitely over finding it difficult. But who talk based on positions, idea what tone or more. And our position idea what transcend our will be now we do the Abishema and it's a team on the best solid. But buying 10 and sacking 12 every season, they definitely am watching the friend is even say who was second division and our first division and our concussion be a premier and our team are able to Africa and our confederation. They're very, very, very difficult. Emma friend is even the coach in Africa.
We just always hope for the best coach. Now, Bernard Lepetswaba, technical director of the Ghana Football Association, on Professor Minta, on director of coaches education. What expectation is saying from these two great guys, or Mabeso Jumediemo?
Oh, and let me say, Professor Minta, and me say, Juma, Ghana, now that's who they and Bernard Lepet, since my playing days in Germany. Eintracht Frankfurt, Chioba, co-assisted the folks who are Azerbaijan. Definitely know about or very fresh or the national team coaches, you know. And I had the higher meeting into a train at the end of the day. But media definitely know because we're German now, or himself, German product, and then they can access together. And she train. That will be free meeting, you know. Play na at least at the end of the day, when I went to me, man, I say one. Now, I'm Ghana football. Yeah, me say, yeah, na train.
Fantastic. Coach Ibrahim Tanko, aka Anyas. Yes, Omre. It was minimum pitch side, our monitor and Kwalabia almost has some Benya Quenya Rai various national teams. The Biano on the field are all scouting. Yadasi Bebre say, was Omre Kakrebi away, Jumedi so, they are Besai Edin Como. All the best, coach.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Coach Ibrahim Tanko. And a local Black Stars head coach on Yatin in Kano. Na yenko Ediana Stars as Joseph Ado wa confirm say bronya beya na chese ne contract abana wiye then so hwe ani mu say obeto aso asom amati my friend Ediana Stars.
The contract will end December. What is in this zone? Sir, I'm a journal player. What is in this? We continue a training. Because one thing I say, we can't attend the same people. No kasa inti. We better not say. Ne first thing we kasa nje. Na that is no way radio. Inti I think say being fashion idea. It's good to say the BR. We can't attend so here. And it's good to say I will give you my best. What I say. Contact the person now. Because they don't need my service again. Then I found my way out.
Ediana Stars goalkeeper Joseph Ado Aya Juma Kumasi Asante Kotoko national teams no so there wasum papa ye nensem kakra ode emane awie so eno na amankwa mreku obekai the 2000 squad Sani Wahab, Steven Tete, Jacob Nete, Samia J, Bendida. Na small squad na Mankwamre Kuna the captain of the side Edru Baby Krano said Jacob New on take you over national team Krano or sign Ekosomie na how to work apao Portuguese I friend Vas Pinto Carlos so no and the technical director of the club Amankwamre Ku Nensemwa waka for penyin hunie.
Naya Kuma you technical director. You will say technical director can act as a head coach as well. But you don't go here. For now, no. Like I say, it requires so with very good equipment. But then we now let's know the man so we get and then money die.
Amankwa Breku, as always, and passionate about what he says about the club. Nensem kakra enono. Yawe champions wakasa. Osisani Elmina Sharks ni boboku onu ankasa ehweso no emrantie no mode morning ahoboabo no esi koso ne de the niaje papa ye.
Yeah, I think it has been great and the response is very, very encouraging. And I'm happy for the improvement of my boys. They are doing very, very well. Until my hope is to make sure that we can be at the top before the D-Day.
Yahweh Champon, former Black Stars midfielder, Osiakai wa Real Sociedad. Few Ghanaians omutumi rad the Basque region, Spain. Kobo boa ne so ani nensem kakra eso no Osiakai match goal that chese na enya grokra. Sesia ono ene handle Papa Kwesi Indum team my friend Elmina Sharks. Chese Daniel Obin mu nyina ejawa omo eko Zambia. Na the Black Starlights, coach Karim Zito ne handle national 20 team. Na obianim so mo boabo mo esanse Cote d'Ivoire ene Nigeria ene ene omo group wa Fuzombi tournament a enche ebeba so no na wa pow a free banye had to work for winger no so no ene be captain of the side na a free akasa afa ho boabo mo ye for sa game see.
We are not looking at any country. We are just going for the tournament and do what we want to do for Madagascar. We are not worried at all. We are training. We are doing very hard training. So we will fight them by hook or crook.
That's the talk of a captain. A free banye or see we will get them by hook or crook. We are not looking at any team. Nye team bia no mo hwe omo de na omo hwe se omo betumi aye na Cote d'Ivoire ni Nigeria de edin and the D-Day will certainly come and the boys will perform. And honsem opinion Eddie Atujano no anopay Yamamoto King Faisal coach or the 35-man squad. Ama Alaji Karim Gruza and in the management. Na players no enevie obia behu ni smoothness level. So din what 35 nim anansa ye ja okwan. Na who smoothness level we are no ma pake onioma na chese King Faisal omo eco camp na Alaji se bra brepa se friendly no na se mu wasama Kwame Kunka ɔsɛ technical director na eba bɛyɛ adwuma no players no mbɛbɔ ball no nti has folk for so akɔ Summer Boy ɔmo de Abrante and Victor Edu aba na Emmanuel Ajete eso aba Interlice nti akabe na otwem yensa ma Ghana Premier League na hyase no teams no ahoboaboa no kwa na ekonanim na sa o share live on Facebook a Chebi or Omasi Sports Complex bi o ha and also enya bad cry o share turf. Oh wow, we o Chebi wow na Chebi no okay there are football clubs bi o oh that's an amazing facility, that's top class. Hey enya easy o
that the policy one district one astroturf.
Oh okay, we astroturf
district bi abenya one astroturf.
Okay,
enti sa region we say how eastern region.
Yeah, eastern region.
And eastern region dey no ko Chebi.
Okay,
enti minister for Zongo and inner city development Mustafa Hamid.
Yeah.
And Enra Okubiano.
Oh, nice. Nice
every
nice,
district
nice,
is supposed to have one of such.
I know Ashanti region there were
Hine.
Oh, okay.
In the eastern region no ko Chebi.
Oh, okay.
In the nanu kwasia de Enra ye. And Mustafa Hamid ekoya.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. I say Christian obey minister how do dey be kwa Ashanti Mampo.
Oh, look at in Finfiasi dressing room, washrooms there. Wow. Amazing. I think
nice.
For the past 3 years, the sports development has seen major boost in terms of infrastructure. You renovate sports stadium. Now you see some of these facilities. Every district, I think there must be a project. So I buy you grant me na say be buying go one day. Whoever comes to take over no must see say ade we betimi atoa so district bi nya bi ebi nya bi enti say NDC na power some people na power oba district na ka omundi bi no. Let's make it a national policy and a national priority say every district must have one of such facility. And I think say under current situation there abana ya dey say oh yes our facilities no once maybe na ya enke the pictures ni ba near Bo Minor Basso, near the Chagana of Wompoa. And I'm very sure, sir, so I might be suited baby no who the air, Obi, I'm very much appreciative. At the end, the air, no, and so Chomuswa binding poor. Into this material state there, I think, sir, under the last 3 years, there sports facilities, and the way I buy no team have lifted, upgraded these facilities, you know, a major plus for this government. We only hope, sir, 10 years to come. Na facility said yet ya sentise kwa na etimi upgrade no ebia ne bibia be ka ho unse we no acquire just pitch any small dressing room. Let's begin to develop it into a bigger facility. Ebia ne ebiem ne stance ne more oni baba house no stadium wie. You understand it? And I think a major plus.
Oh, you know, Anka Premier League clubs, no.
Yeah.
Faisal one there, Brecum Chelsea one there, Bechem one there, Kumasi Asante Kotoko one there, Karela one there. Okay, Ghana Premier League, no, it would have been amazing, you know. Because when I yacha in Premier League venues,
baby, and you crowd is hosting major tournament to be a crana. Who's the one here training facilities that much?
Yeah,
by AFCON. Who's any said any training facilities? Taban said that's how Boka a training facility, West Coast, a big call a Pokuari. Region baby Bobiani said they training facility for 8 teams nearby. So was Anima we are. That's all who still AFCON Krana Obi. On the already was our training facilities now. On science spending that much on training facilities. Now things that we are doing well on that score. Many baji pass it Mehu Ibrahim Chanko so or coaching in the local scene. Obi on him say quality of coaching will effect on quality of play.
Absolutely.
Oko Premier League now. The entire month for Niaji Premier League no be the quality of coaches are Premier League no. Or Mourinho, or Pep, or Jurgen Klopp. These managers will bring certain form of effect into the league. And now I know saying, young Shasan Kain, local coach, a local game na yeshi. Over when Ibrahim Tanko, a coach one team. Na Steven Apia, a coach another team. Kosiapia, even Atasa Kosiapia, every black sassy, now Kosiapia, above one of these local teams, you know. And kind the certain form of enthusiasm and euphoria, every local league. And I think, sir, per experience, any the expertise, a cry and from a boom within, they will impact positively on our local league. You can't Ibrahim Temko Asama Obi, on your small player, even as a player, obi o si akan Emma Dortmund obi o board Dortmund wie no obi at a point in time unum say no assistant coach Edema FC Cologne obi assistant coach and so Edema Freiburg no we only hope say ebia one of these teams no ebetimi Lyon no na ko coach our local teams so very very amazing to see coach Ibrahim Tanko na all coach team na Samoa so Boma Lagos City I think Senka League no be so amazing to watch. Let's try and carry some of these men now Omabo under several managers na Dr. Safoje can say let's imagine Steve Apia the number of managers are Steve Apia abo under them appear here small coaching as school kakra on your certificate in kan ho the wealth of experience as Stephen Apia to accumulate as a player. No, your coach kakra bi kan ho Apia will give so much to football. Ibrahim Tanko Abu under so many managers. Why assistant under so many managers are the experience I brand friend Ibrahim Tanko one. So be coaching any of our local teams now. I think it can be very great to watch. We hope say one day Kebenya coach Kwasi Apia. Ebiano no coach has to folk.
Coach has a
oh me example.
Okay, example.
Nebia Ibrahim Tanko coach just anti kotoko. Na kotoko.
So why Maxwell could do it?
Me say one day.
Maxwell could do it. Maxwell could do kotoko.
Okay, Maxwell could do kotoko.
Ibrahim Tanko or Ashgood. Na Kwasi Apia or Karela. Because on kwa titi o maba o so left you
I'm going to come with them
na me yibu adwadi ana da bi me yibu adwadi we dey call Karela
but the idea
on August na dote die
but hasinya ku Kotiapia Bruni eve my main that you say let's imagine these managers in a local league. So we was as good. We were Santi Kotoko. We were Mediama. The kind of experience and the Yombetinia are impacting positively on a local league. No, it's so amazing to watch. I'm only hoping say one day one of these teams will have the capacity to lure any of them into a local league. Say coach Kotapia to me call away from a Sudan. Yeah, Sudan to me the coach Kotapia. Ebe coach local league now. Why not Ghana? Say bit my Ibrahim Tanko.
Absolutely. Na enjoy mrofo do the we know. O twasini wa brochire na ye de na ba se o mere na o meye ball no e maye hadwe Semanum ya de dwumadie no beba we na no nan etumi abona DJ Slim aba no the pure drive no so etumi abre nanso ansana no nan no bebo no Andy Casillas de aboafo no ho edwaton nyoma no so bebre yen na ya hwese betumi apeke calls kakra na yetumi ede dwumadie no etumi aba na we Andy enko quick
na say Frimsy Enterprise en kan chiro bia se bra se open fridge ato open air conditioners sanso and chest freezers and afi obi open washing machine ni titiro mu amope na near friends sewing machines e pam ne ma no ni nyina bi ebu e wo na say Frimsy Enterprise so kwa ya teso o to ne asanso atwade na na promo no enso timi sha senti ko na kwato de na gi achade fa free na say Frimsy Enterprise na kira kwan e Roman Health 0247 766 289 0247 766-289 now the NASA Frimsy and so at Nyabonkom Agent Avenue Ventures so the oko na aluminium stickers so media ba no so akwa jodi sounds no bia wo pedan ato pese oton wo di asase nyina no wo de kodan Agent Avenue Ventures e wo Kumasi Bo Kromese Taylor Abasia wo mbehwe no ma dijuma na e de ma kama na se from 0243-661-708 Trade Winds Chemist for pain tablet there ya wadrojibi na komene Samsung Asiro Fama Nkorano Transol 500 tablet and suspension sunsuno papa radio syrup wo ba wa code anasa kata wo bi na etimi abo before so bedru fie ni gibi nefa kofie Holland insurance enso etayechi wo kona fe ufie o kana fe business no yetima insurance kama pa enso de medum omo Chelsea House Stanbic Bank wo nsabeka Holland insurance 0202080071 0202080071 na oni o mabonko Samsung bia opeso boosting immune system there yellow and orange farmers so ready vitamin C plus zinc no eno and I make come for them se ma sentiment ke be bo na etime boost you me se kama Samson abema kra de sabua ema okompem a wutime bo adwuma kama wo a utanya cold utanya flu na sekata wunya ready vitamin C plus zinc ni bi na wo de tu nso na wo noma eno ano no sugar free esanso eboa no bia nso timi no bi entime so bombe na jibi na entime mo Rock Clinic Limited wo mo ena de Rockman Pakum enso e de abadwa so na Pakum capsules na de no na mema nyina e de ato empani to so ye bema na woni Pakum e da empani to no ma na se oh ya mistake kwana kwajo de sansa no ena eboa na watimi abo adwa wo mpam kama na bibia nso atimi akonkan kuma se abo station woni e sika fie na de 0248885040 0248885040 na unsatimi akomplus na lata semra nso jibi na fedware esansa beboa ma skin na timi ato sanso na eboa na sabi sen kabi kwa na abegina ho a eyi ni nyina enso de afiro we no wonya bia esanso protective skin no ema skin color esanso timi to so kama kokwa yehu sanso na tuntuma eda so kama pa obi amoden na onkojibi Dr. Amuzu the pennies doctor say ene mema nyina amra no nso mo yare wa obema no pese ye kasia bi ana so pese ye tento pese anwode bema Dr. Amuzu ba clinic the pennies doctor no so de Amuzu garlic bitters bo moja no sanso na Amuzu K herbal bitters no so yafu yare and afi Amuzu P herbal mixture so body pains and afi Amuzu herbal mixture malaria no etu asia kama edema Tafu Club 600 kuma so ka obenya bi 0247 77 67 43 0247 77 67 43 don't next level premium nana eno ana se dia on say premium eno am say da bobia wi de pa oh
Bobby
eno am pian ko ya mi shefia na me daya me team no and am say fa premium ne kakra so and am who say yes
now the headache
oh na me don say na de echi Monday and na asema o kai Monday ne usura uni say energize body no ne edi uram on Monday nya se to akra
Matiandi nyame boa echina no pa ebesa yehia na manone nsem a waboaboa no asan e de abrain yam pick about 2 calls na wrap up. It's only fair to pick a few calls. 0240 92 56 0240 92 83. Frena Chirewaje. Hello, good afternoon.
Trice.
Boss. Boss, Udini baby akasa free.
Obi Louis Nani, Florida.
Okay, boss yanko.
Obi, we say play in the NK. I get it here. Now, let's say the brand blood can come to say, Sana Pamobana Mukasa, I think would you choose here? Now, came up as a tower, no message that I don't know so in their mind. Nana,
Yati pa. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Obi.
Boss, Udini baby akasa free.
That's a very dumb. That's a certain secret.
Okay, Nana yanko.
Obi, indeed, confirmation here, me, what give me. As a boy, you won't be the most weakest now. Because to quite some amount now, and some of our bomb go to here. I want to give you a tap, and I'm sorry, but you're winning wrong, but I think say the right is on, and I'm just away that. I mean, you move here always just for half for you.
Yeah.
I'm very proud of you.
Very well. Mpacho we are now wafre. Why? Mpacho why? Boss, yeah, that's be we are no wafre. Okay, hello, good afternoon.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Trice.
Boss.
Alaji Sikoni.
Alaji Yanko.
Allah Madrid.
Yeah. Nyami adumo Alaji.
Chechamo mame.
Mate, mechia.
But kotoko muma yankan kure. Changes too much. Kesia maso kuru the top place no. Anasem penfono the top star place no. Place no mu do sibidu. Yakobo Champions League. Mu si entendi wini tiwa. The best about 3 years, 2 years, no more you want. Would you place above for? And to Cotoco, yeah, expect to win. And I expect to lose you. As a man, bye bye.
Alaji. Yeah, fancy. Alaji can is a media. Okay, DJ Slim, the supreme bigger figure, is up next with the pure drive. na me boy china e besan share bright can come boy du beje na konya mia so na me tata ho kakra Christian edu say wom bright ye boy Taylor beba ofitepa beba Jacob Trice be e wo town Paul Darling Paul so ho ejare wo ho Andy Casillas wo ho na chese ye djumedie no etumi ahye so non du pepe na ejedemu a ye koye ni master shoe chair master wear shoe you know a bumper bone a home your accessories need ya obi ani o chair master miami nyapa na handle bibia nti quality no e wosoro a chair master e da se bebre se waso ya sen a odi abeduru pempen so ebise. We are done. God willing, tomorrow the pure drive with the supreme bigger figure DJ Slim is up next. Gracias.